This video, we will review the additional options in Rounds of Golf Rules program. If you haven't already, go ahead and watch the video on how to create a Rounds of Golf rule in our YouTube channel, Jonas Club Management. Use the Options button if you do not need the detailed restrictions set in the rule details, but want a booking restriction rule for the club in general for this rule. Select Booking Restriction in effect if an advanced booking restriction is in effect for this golf rule. Enter the number of days in advance that a tee time reservation can be taken when this golf rule is in use. Hit OK to save the changes. Use the Open Bookings option if you want to restrict the number of open bookings that a player can have at one time by using this round of golf restriction. This operates independently of a total rounds of golf restriction. For example, a member is allowed to play 10 rounds per year but can only have 2 open bookings at one time. This restriction can be used by clubs to prevent members from monopolizing the best times during a golf season. Bookings are defined as open if they have not been processed, either checked in, cancelled, or no-show. Use the Accompaniments button to restrict how a reservation made by members with this round of golf rule will be forced to have another golfer of the required type accompany the golfer making the booking. Restrictions by course can also be set here. Use the accompanying golfer classification field to select the type of golfer classification you wish to force this current round of golf rule to have with them on their bookings. Use the following fields to ignore these types of restrictions when accompaniment override is in place. Choices include advanced booking in options, total rounds of golf in rule details, total open bookings in open bookings. Optionally, select the restrictions field to set up further golf course restrictions of this current round of golf rules. Hit OK to save the changes. Use the Round Values button if you want to place a different valuation on 9 or 18-hole rounds to be used in the calculation of total rounds of golf restrictions. Some clubs only count 9 holes as a half a round for their calculations, so by doing this, you can have a variety of holes played that will contribute to the total rounds calculation. Assign a valuation to 18 and 9-hole rounds for each course in the grid. Default values are 1 for each. Once done with all the setup, don't forget to click OK to save the changes. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more how-to videos and don't forget to subscribe.